Hey guys, Craig Foley here. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Hey, while you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Click on the bell icon, let you know when I upload fresh content. Hey, are you looking for a true, honest, legitimate way to earn money working from home online? If you are, then you're definitely in the right place. Again, my name's Craig Foley. I'm a teacher, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a veteran, I'm a single dad. I'm just a normal, average, everyday guy who found a way to try to make a living online. See, about 4 years ago, I was on the wrong side of a corporate layoff, and I had to try to find a way to keep the lights on and keep the bills paid. And what I found was there are a lot of shiny objects. There are a lot of things out there online that just, quite frankly, leave you with an empty wallet and a lot of disappointment. I also found a few things that are really legitimate, honest ways to make a living. So this channel is dedicated to those of you at home trying to make a little bit of extra money. Maybe you want a couple $100 for a vacation. Maybe you want to, buy a new toy, buy something. Maybe you're looking to replace your full-time income like I was. Whatever the case may be, this channel is dedicated to you. On this channel, I will be uploading fresh content weekly. I will let you know kind of some things that have been working, some things that have not been working. I'll do some product reviews. I'll talk about some different ways to stay motivated. It's kind of some self-help kind of videos and some different things like that. So be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, make sure you click on that subscribe button right down there and that bell icon, let you know when I upload fresh content. Again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.